We're now going to learn to make your orthographic drawing for your planning diagram. So once you've completed your design, we come from design here to drawing from design. And before we get going, we need to make sure this is set up correctly. So I'm going to move it into the middle, contains visible only, create new, from scratch. Here, ASME, not ISO, ASME. Units in millimeters, and size, that top one there, a 8.5 inch by 11 inch, please. Click OK. Fusion then changes to the drawing environment, and we can bring ours in. So you can actually change the first view that comes in depending on what you're drawing from, but you really want the one that kind of looks most like your drawing. So in this case, that's the one that gives the clearest view. It's a little bit small, so I'm going to change to 1:1. Bring it in here, click once, and that places it. We then click OK. From the top here, not base view, but projected view, click, come up, and that will show us the top view. We click here for the top view, come out for the side view, and we try and make it about the same size, about the same distance, sorry. I click enter, and the distance here to here, here to here should be about the same. Now what I need to do is put my sizes on it. So I click dimensions, and we want to try and include every dimension. We do the smallest dimensions first. So here to here, and then we'll do here to here. Put them outside the drawing always. Here to here. From the side, I'll do this one to this one. So sometimes you have to just be very careful where you're clicking. So that one's ended up inside the drawing, so I'm just to undo that one. Try that again. Dimension, so I just want here to here. Here to here, come on, yeah. And then here to here, put that outside. Here to here, let's move that outside. Then what other dimensions do I not have? Well, I don't know the height of the nose. So let's just, come on, height of nose. Right, that one's not working, so escape. So right from that corner to that corner, pull it out here. So that's the height of my nose. I need the length of my legs. And the size of the circle. And that's pretty much it. They're pretty much all the dimensions I would need to make it. So that's fine for your planning diagram. So you now need to just capture that with a screenshot or maybe export that as a PDF, and that's your planning diagram done.